Maya launched a tiny repair cafe in a crowded market, reviving discarded gadgets and teaching neighbors practical tech skills. With zero funding, she partnered with local cooperatives for spare parts and hosted crowd-powered workshops to prove demand. A grant collapse forced a pivot toward a subscription repair service and a mentorship program that scaled slowly. Lessons include testing ideas with small experiments, earning trust before scaling, and turning waste into recurring revenue. By sharing costs and journeys openly, Maya drew mentors and funders who expanded her network to 5 cities.